Ugh, I am soaking wet. The inside of the tent is just wet with condensation. Every time I get up and move around, I brush up against the inside of the tent and it just gets me soaked. Splitting a bunch of kindling before I go to bed tonight. So if I wake up in the middle of the night and I need a fire, it's not a big ordeal to get some heat in the tent. Oh, my socks are so wet. I got loads of snow down my boots today. I'll hang my socks at the top of the tent and they'll dry out pretty quick. So I gotta make sure I don't roll up against the inside of the tent in the middle of the night. Otherwise my bag will get soaked. But if I roll over to the right too far, then I'll hit the stove and then I'll burn up. So, you know, I guess it just won't wiggle around much. All right, got my hot water bottle with 2 liters of boiling water. Well, it's toasty warm in this bag and I am tired, so I'm gonna hit the sack and we're gonna see what this blizzard brings because I can hear it snowing really hard right now.